Hi, I'm Katie. I'm a general dentist who's been practicing for 3 years. One of the most important things I felt like I learned was when you said that dentures without implants are for smiling and not eating. I think that's a great way to describe it.
Hi, I'm Syed. Been practicing about 20 years, and I very much appreciate the message that you don't have to know everything. It's okay to be careful about case selection and know enough and be confident in what you know to provide a service for most, if not, it doesn't have to be for everyone.
I'm Mina. I've been practicing since July, and the Nacho I learned today is how to manage expectations.
Yeah, I'm Edmondson, been practicing for 45 years, and I need to just not prejudge the patients on whether they can or cannot afford implants, because that's usually the excuse they give, and just try to impress the important benefits of the implants.